Hi, welcome to this video. Today, we will discuss how to speak English confidently and fluently. Have you spent hours in the classroom learning English, but you still feel frustrated at how little you remember? Are you still confused when you hear English spoken at normal speed? Do you lack the confidence to have a conversation with a native English speaker? Don't worry, you're in right place. If you focus on language as a connection, or a way to bond with other people, it will change the way you look at English. When you learn English with a textbook, you are focusing on grammar. When you do grammar exercises, you are always worrying about making mistakes and doing it correctly. 2 things you need to speak English fluently. First, you need motivation. Why do you want to learn English? Your reason for learning English is very important. If you are learning it for work, or because you live in an English-speaking company, you'll work hard and learn quickly. Second, you need initiative, or the ability to see what needs to be done and find a way to do it. When you take responsibility for your own learning, you will see that there are many ways of learning for free all around you. Here we discuss 7 steps to speak English. Step 1. Plan yourself. Think about how you need to use English. What kind of conversation do you want to have? Will you need English for work, for school, or for watching English TV? Who will you be talking to, and what will you be talking about? Step 2. Listen. If you want to be fluent, you really need to listen. Use the same words and expressions that native speakers use. To do this, find new ways to listen through friendships, podcasts, movies, and music. There are so many ways to listen to English now. Step 3. Check what you read. When you hear a new word that you are not familiar with, ask about it. Look it up in a dictionary, search up its meaning on the internet, or ask a friend. When you consult several sources, you will have a deeper understanding of the word. Step 4. Repeat. When you hear a word or phrase you like, use it several times until it sticks. Make sentences with it. If it's a verb, practice conjugating it in different tenses. Repetition will help it feel natural. Step 5. Connect. Our motivation to learn language mostly comes with the desire to connect with other people. Having valuable friendships will be a huge motivator for you to learn English. It may take several tries to find a good conversation partner, but don't give up. Soon you will find someone to talk with, and who can answer your questions. Step 6. Use. Use English daily and keep it fresh. Use it as much as possible. Don't be shy, even native English speakers make mistakes in day-to-day conversation. The more you use English, the more you will remember it, and it will stick in your mind. Step 7. Review. Finally, always review what you learned. For example, review new vocabulary words a day, a week, and a month later. This will keep them fresh in your mind. You'll be able to remember them when it's time to use them. Most important of all, it is critically important to believe in yourself. As human beings, we all have the ability to learn a language and connect with others. Use English as a tool to connect with others and to improve your life. These are the most 7 important tips to speak English fluently. Thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.